Thanksgiving Balling Chronicles today because this is exactly how I'm feeling, okay? I feel how I look. I stepped on the scale today. The batteries were low on it, and I don't know if it gave me a real read. Like, I don't know if the number that it gave me was what's really going on with me. But it still ain't pretty. Either way you look at it, it gave me a weigh-in of 230.4, and then it gave me 230.6. I do need to go and get me some batteries, which is what we will do today, so that we can get a more accurate read of where we're starting. Hold on, let me back up, you guys. So today we're starting our pescatarian journey. Hooray! Like, I just skipped all over that part. I've done keto in the past, and it does wonders for me. It really works. However, when I do keto and then I get off keto, the weight comes back like it never left. So we're going to try something new, okay? We're going to try pescatarian this week and see how things go. Hopefully it do what it need to do, okay? Because I'm a little frustrated, I'm a little razzle-dazzle, and I'm tired of feeling like that. So it is now 12:33. I only had a cup of coffee. I only had a cup of coffee today, and hibiscus and ginger juice. I'll plug that. I am going to juice some beets today, as well as a few other things, but we got to go to the store first. But before we go to the store, we are going to make us a seafood pasta. Yes, we are, and I'm excited. I'm not really hungry, and I think it's more so because I'm in my head about what I weighed in at and what my weight is. So I'm kind of going to force myself to eat because I know I need to eat before I get hangry. Okay, we don't need that. We don't want that, okay? We're just going to keep a positive mindset about things and move forward, because we're going to live ourselves where we are until we get to what we need to be. Hurry on the front. I did take my measurements around my stomach area, and we are at a whopping 46 inches. Okay, so we are up 2 inches in the past, I want to say 3 months. So we need to get that back down. We're going to get that back down. And yeah, we're just going to continue pushing forward towards a healthier lifestyle and better eating habits. Yeah, that was a lot. So with all that being said, let's get into a good old cook, child. Okay, you know one thing mama can't do, if she can't do nothing else, it's cook. Okay, so we're about to get into that. We're going to make some charbroiled oysters and just a small seafood pasta, which would just have like bay scallops and some shrimp. Okay, bay scallops and shrimp. That's something that you may be interested in, friend. They keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so we have our oysters. I have to shuck those. Linguine pasta, cream cheese, shrimp, bay scallops, spinach, heavy whipping cream, and Parmesan cheese. And I think I'm going to add a bit of sun-dried tomatoes just for flavor and color. But let's get to work. Okay, you guys, so we have our freshly cleaned oysters, fresh shucked and clean. They're kind of pre-cooked because I had to put them over some heat to get them to open up because they were very stubborn. And here we have our garlic butter with some, what is this? Oh, with some parsley, as well as a little bit of spinach in there, and some black truffle Parmesan seasoning. And we're just going to, I'm probably going to have to make more of this, but we're just going to spoon some over each one. I'm going to have to make some more. Oh, wow. Like so. Oh, yeah, I got to make some more. And we are going to add a bit of Parmesan cheese and stick them under the broiler. And I really thought about cutting out dairy out of this, out of my pescatarian eating. Today, charbroiled oysters and some seafood pasta. The portion is small, but I believe it's going to be very much so filling. And we have plenty left for either dinner or for lunch tomorrow. So, bon appetit. Alright, you guys, we have our juicer out. I also purchased this little two-sided like lunch tower from Dollar Tree. I bought like 5 of those just to store my juice for now until I can order me some, or my order comes through from Amazon. So we're gonna go ahead and get into a juice, and we got some editing to do, and that's gonna basically complete our day. I am going to have, I just got salad. I wanted to do like a peach, shaved peach, and kind of mixed green type of situation. I will show you that, but it will be no meat for dinner, okay? Just our nice salad and a juice. So let's get into the juicing. Okay, you guys, so this is how much juice came from one beet. And it looks like nothing. Like, how many beets do I need? Like 50 of them? Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my fruit. It tastes really earthy though. I'm gonna add the rest of my fruit to this, and I guess we're gonna be doing one juice a day or something. I don't know, I gotta figure this thing out, the ratio. Cause this ain't too much of nothing, friend. Okay, so I poured the peach and what else I put in there? Peach, ginger, lemon, and tangerine juice in there. And we're gonna see if it's gonna make it do what it do. I know that ginger is coming through strong. Like, I can smell it real strong. So we'll do fresh fruit or vegetables on one side of this, and then the juice on the other side for either breakfast or a lunch tomorrow. Alright, y'all, let's get to dinner. I'm gonna make me a salad real quick. Okay, you guys, so for dinner we are having a salad. We have some shaved beets, onions, feta cheese, shaved peaches, sliced mangoes, and a little bit of croutons. And we are going to be using, what kind of dressing is this? So this is basically the Olive Garden, the Aldi's version of the Olive Garden dressing. And it's not bad at all. It only has 2 carbs, no fiber. How much sugar does it have? 2 grams of sugar. Really not bad. So bon appetit. Fingers crossed this will hold me over to the morning. If it does not, then I'll eat a peach or something. But no meat for dinner. No meat, no meat, no meat, no meat, no meat, no meat, no meat. I did get the batteries from the Dollar Tree, but I'll put those in tomorrow and we'll pick up from there. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog as much as I did creating it for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it's a vibe.